In this demonstration, we will create an Excel spreadsheet that utilizes some of the more advanced features in Microsoft Excel. So I'm going to start off by opening Excel 2013. I'm going to create a blank workbook. And this is going to be cookie sales profit analysis. Here we're going to look at the different types of cookies and what our profit and values are on these. So I'll put item for my column heading, cost, quantity, markup, sale price, profit, and profit percent. And total value. Alright, our first one will be chocolate chip cookies. Next will be chocolate mint. Next will be sugar cookie, so sugar. And the following will be oatmeal. I'm going to expand my columns just by going between A and B and dragging and dropping. Here we go. Okay, my cost for a chocolate chip cookie is 32 cents a piece. For chocolate mint, it's 41 cents. For sugar, it's 29. And for oatmeal, it's 54. I'm going to make 500 chocolate chip, 250 chocolate mint, 400 sugar, and 500 oatmeal. My markup for chocolate chip is going to be 125%. So 1.25, because we're doing this as percents. If I highlight that and click percent, you can see how it'll work. I can highlight all these cells and select percent. That way it'll be a little bit easier to visualize while I'm entering. So with chocolate mint, for that we're going to have a 98% markup. For sugar, it's going to be 110% markup. And for oatmeal, we're going to go with 150% because those should be more healthy. Our sale price should be cost plus cost times markup. So it equals cost plus parentheses cost times markup, close parenthesis. And I just typed in my formula while also clicking on the cells. I can verify it here up in the formula bar. I'll hit enter, click up here, and use my fill handle. And that'll tell me my sale price for each cookie. My profit is going to be my sale price minus my cost. And I'll use my fill handle. My profit percent is going to be, so I'm going to go equals sale price divided by cost. Whoops, did that wrong. Equals cost divided by sale price. So it's 44% profit. Much different than the markup, because profit is based on what we sold, where markup is how much more we're charging. Drag that down. Total value, we're going to go equals sale price times quantity. And we'll drag that down as well. Next, we'll go potential profit. So here I also want the potential profit. So with that, we're going to have equals profit times quantity. All right, we'll add some totals here at the bottom. So I'm going to say total. And I don't want all of my totals. I certainly don't need every one of these. I want total value summed up. So I'll go down there and click auto sum. And I'll do the same thing for potential profit. Next, I want to know a little bit about my information. So I want to know, what is the lowest cost cookie? What is the highest? And what is the average? So here, my lowest, I can click on my formulas and go for min, and then select my cells. For highest, I could say equals, and select max, or I can just type it in. Max, open parenthesis, select my cells, close parenthesis. For average, click here, average, and select my cells. So what's my average cost? Now I want to know lowest, highest, average across the board. So I'm going to highlight all three and use my fill handle. And it's filled in my numbers. Okay, next I'm going to add a little bit of formatting. So I'm going to change my header here. And I want that to be green. Actually, I'm going to go with a green background with white text and bold. Next. All right, I want my totals to be bold. I want a line before my total. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to select a bottom border. I want my values that are money related with dollar signs and the correct number of decimals. So I'm going to select them, press and hold the control key on my keyboard, select the other cells that are related, go with dollar sign, comma, whoops. There we go. It already includes my comma, so I'm good there. I want my markup. I want those all in percent form. Same thing with potential profit percent. Okay. So we've got those items taken care of. So our formatting appears to be in order. Next, I want my title merged and centered. A little larger in size. Oops, I don't want it background colored though. Bold, italic. Profit analysis, merge and center. A little larger, just in italics. And there we go. So there's the basics of creating formulas within Microsoft Excel. We've looked at creating some custom formulas using the total, highest, lowest, and average. The only thing remaining is to save. So I click my save button, browse, make sure I select the correct folder, and this is actually cookie sales. And that concludes how to create an Excel spreadsheet using formulas.